Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. This is going to be a travel video, and right now I'm at the Ranchi railway station traveling by Maurya Express. This time I'm going to show you the second class journey because I don't have reserved ticket. So I just have unreserved ticket and I'm not allowed to go in the reserved coaches. So I'll show you the second class journey, how it looks like. So let's go. Look at the crowd here. The announcement is done and my train will come on platform number 2. Looking at the crowd, I don't know whether the journey will be adventurous or harassing. The train is actually crowded and I have used the old method. As you can see, I have put my bag here so that I can keep this seat reserved. The train has left Ranchi station now and my train is running almost 45 minutes late because the actual departure time was 6:40 and it's almost 7:30. When you are traveling by second class coaches and especially when you are alone, keeping seat reserved is the biggest headache now. And right now I am at the Hatia railway station. This is the first stoppage and officially this should be the only one stoppage, but let's see. And I just want to get down to explore the station, but I cannot because my seat will be occupied. Okay, let's taste the cucumber. This is the cucumber.